I did it the hard way though. It's a deck of 52 cards. Each of these cards, well, not only are they different on the front, but each one of these cards is different on the back. There are different casinos from every casino here in Las Vegas. You can check it out here. Check this out. There's the Luxor, there's the Gold Nugget, there's Mandalay Bay, Excalibur, there's another Luxor, but that's okay. The Link, the Sands, the Harrah's, Bally's Casino. Check that out. Giordano's. I thought they only had pizza. Apparently you can lose your money there too. Tropicana, Red Rock, Gemini. Basically, if it's a casino that existed, there's a card here from them. That's pretty cool. Now, I need somebody who feels lucky tonight. Who feels lucky? Anybody feel? All right, come on up here. I need a lucky guy. All right. Pick one of these cards, and this is important, just set it face down on the table. Are you ready?
Yep.
Hold on. People are really happy when you do this. Right? There we go. All right, choose one of these suckers. That one there? Set it face down on the table, right there. Bam. Now I'm gonna make this easy for you though. I'll let you pick the second card, a card that you think is lucky. Go for it. Pick them. Pick one. Any of them. That one there. Set that face up on the table right next to our card there. Now, before we started, I made a prediction. I put it in this box. And I put it in this box in the form of a poker chip. And here is my prediction. What is it?
King of clubs.
King of clubs. And your card is?
Queen of hearts.
Looks like you lost. You know, Las Vegas is a city of second chances, though. You picked another card from the Sands Casino. It's face down. Go ahead and turn that sucker over. Second place. Now, wait a minute. Are you a horse gambler? Do you bet on horses at all?
No.
Do you know what a quinella is?
Vaguely.
A quinella is getting two right in the exact order. That's pretty cool. Flip that chip over and tell me what casino it came from.
Say again.
Turn that chip over, tell me what casino it came from.
Bellagio.
And turn over that Queen of Hearts, tell me what casino it came from.
Bellagio.
And all these different casinos to choose from. It looks like tonight is your lucky night. Woo! Thank you very much. Hey, wait a minute, stay right here.